Wanna know what we say in the club? Hey, baby. White folks, gangsters, and the thugs. Hey, baby. Stunting with a stack of them dubs. Hey, baby. Riding in the lack with a mug. Hey, baby. I'm in the club hollering. Hey, baby. Hey, baby. Hey, baby. Hey, baby. Hey, baby. I'm in the club hollering. Hey, baby. Hey, baby. Hey, baby. Hey, baby. Hey, baby. I'm in the club.
Hey everybody, welcome to my channel. I have a new wig from ISEE Hair. Of course, I'm going to start off with the packaging. So this is everything that I got. Pretty much everything that you'll need to install your wig. The wig that I have is a 26-inch body wave unit. This is actually a U-part wig, one of my favorites. It looks so natural, as you could see in the beginning there. But this is how it looks straight out of the packaging. It is body wave, so it has those waves there. Very full, very long, luscious, luxurious, and it's made very well as well. So it has a little drawstring back and the clips that close down or close up around the perimeter of the wig, so they do snap into place, which makes it feel very secure. I kind of like this better than I like the combs. So I just put the wig on, which is very easy to do. No really tutorial needed for that. You'll do a simple braid down and then put your wig on. You do want to make sure that you fit it to your head, however, so you don't have any humps in the back. But now I'm just kind of personalizing my wig. Of course, you want to fit it to your head so that it looks, more natural. And that's what I'm doing. I did add some layers to it, just a little bit, not really layers, but just kind of face framing. I did blow dry the hair a little bit because I was going to curl it. And those body waves, those waves were really stuck in the hair. So I did use a little mousse to kind of wet the hair a little bit and then blow dry it just to make it a little more easier for the curls. And that's just what I'm doing here. As you can see, this hair is really thick, really long. So it's really easy to put curls into the hair and they last it all day long. As you can see, I'm combing them out, pops right back up. The hair, this is perfect for curling. The hair is used to being waved up, so it's really good. I didn't have any issues at all. No shedding, tangling, nothing. I was just doing my hair as normal, which I did enjoy. And yeah, of course, I like to listen to music while I do my hair. So that's a little dancing that's going on. In between my curls, I do sometimes use hairspray just to ensure that none of my curls drop throughout the day. So I did do that. And I just kind of went all the way up my head until I was done with the curls. And curling, I'm using just a standard curling iron. I think this one is a little bit bigger than some may use. I think I have a 1/2-inch curling iron. And this is the Hot Tools curling iron as well, if anybody is interested. Hot Tools 1/2-inch curling iron. And I love using a bigger curling iron on longer hair. It makes the process go by so much faster. You're not curling little bitty curls. And honestly, I think the bigger curls look better when you have a lot of hair, because this wig is not only long, but full. You can see how much hair I'm curling here. Just that alone, without the top part that I have left to curl, could be a full wig. So this hair is very, very full. So a lot of curls, a lot of hair to just style. So I always use a larger, hot tool when I'm styling a lot of hair.
I'm in the DJ booth taking pictures with the
And this is the hair fully curled. It looks really nice. Really nice, really natural as well. That's why I love U-part wigs. They always come out so natural, super easy, and you can always take this off, put another wig on, put this back on. So many styles when you're doing a U-part wig. So you can do, it gives you just more versatility, and I like that. I like to be able to have my hair done in the daytime, go to sleep comfortably, and then still be cute when I wake up, because you could put it right back on. If you have a wig head like I do, you can take this off, leave it as is, so you don't have to curl it again in the morning, put it right back on, and you'll be ready to go. Very simple, easy. Now, I hope you guys like this tutorial and review of this wig. I do have the links in my description box. If you're interested, again, it is from ISEE Hair. I always enjoy their wigs, so I would definitely recommend this one. Everything is down below. Let me know what you guys think, and please stay tuned for the next one.
I put up in an expedition with the roof. You wanna know what we say in the club? Hey, baby, white folks, gangsters, and the